Hi my friends, welcome to this channel. It's been a while. How have you all been? So thank you for joining me once more on this YouTube channel. And today's tutorial is Ksha. It's already glaring enough from the video that we're seeing right now on your screen. It's a countdown timer. So I give two examples. Either you can count down time or you can so from the video, like I said, we can see two examples, either a time countdown or a number countdown. So you can use it to count down from 100 to 0, or you can count down from hours to seconds. So let's do this in Sketchware. And heads up on this tutorial is you are not even using a single code. I've converted all codes to blocks, so it's an easy peasy. So for optimal learning, I would advise you take each segment of this tutorial very carefully. At the end of this tutorial, I'll share the project and the block, so you can decide to only download the blog or you download the project any way you deem it fit. Just watch, subscribe, and enjoy. Let's do this in Sketchware. So if you have your Sketchware Pro, we are going to create a time example of countdown. Time example. Let me add a text view and then increase the text size. So now I want create or any interface, we can add a custom variable. Let's name the custom variable countdown timer. Just name it anything. Countdown, can name it countdown. Add. So then we come to our blog. I'm assuming you have added the blog to your project, and then we add our time in milliseconds. As you all know, 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So can use calculator. Let's use calculator. 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. 1 second, 60 seconds makes 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 1 hour times 3 is 3 hours. So let's do a countdown for 3 hours in milliseconds. Then we add on countdown and also on complete. That's when the countdown has been done. Then we add this our start block. So if you click on this, I did not see this, you can also do it this way. You can add our custom variable this way. They're the same thing. For old Sketchware versions, you cannot do this. So let's set our test based on current timing. So once the timing is complete, we can just set our time as in hours, in minutes, and in seconds in this format. Then we can use our join add block and our to number blocks this way, and then the to number blocks. First of all, we are getting our hours, so the hours left in the countdown. Let's do same for minutes. For minutes, let's do same. For minutes, and lastly for seconds, I used to know the seconds left. For seconds, let's know the seconds left. So that is that. So now once countdown starts, whether the app is working or not, it will always be running. So we need to destroy it when the app we need to cancel countdown when the app is no more running. That's why we add our on destroy. In our on destroy, we are going to do this since we started in our on create when the activity starts. So now when the activity stops, let us destroy it. Let's cancel it rather. So here you go. This is our countdown. It's counting down from 3 hours. You can reduce the timing. So that is our time example. Let's do for number example. So to do it for number example, it's not really much difference. So for number example, we just do this. That is the time. So let's say we want to count 100. So 100, to do countdown for number is 100 or 1000 times 100. So we're going to count down from 100 to 0. You can see how easy and seamless it is. So I created block because using code may be complex for new users. But then even if you want to use blocks, you can see our countdown is going. So even if you want to use blocks, I advise to, for someone who wants to grow, always look at the codes backing each blocks. Yes, you look at it so you learn it and you can be able to be independent. Though I will not argue, and I know it's very easy using blocks, but then to go further and further, you need to understand the logic behind every block, so you can be able to be independent, because every day newer ideas are coming. So to be able to meet up, just like now we have AI, so you need to be able to meet up. If you have to chat AI will not give you blocks for your codes. So that's why I always advise people. So that is by the way. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, like, subscribe and comment if you need other projects. These blogs will be available in our Telegram channel. So it will be available. You can go there and download it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.